So now we are going to give coverage to main function, and for doing this we will create a new test case, def test main, and in here we will do something different, which we will pass capsys, that is one fixture from pytest. That allows us to capture the output, the standard input and the standard output. So okay, let's do this. So we will just call main, and now we will analyze the capture text. So we do this by calling capsys dot read out error. This is the way to use capsys. Oh, okay. What's the matter? That should be okay because we are defining it. And then we will first we will assert that capture dot err it's empty, because the standard error should be empty because there are no errors. And then we will look, let me see. I suspect that I'm missing the import. No, okay, now it realizes, okay. Sometimes it's a bit slow. So, because for certain functionalities you need to import pytest, and I have not. So, just wanted to make sure that that was not the case. I was pretty sure that not, because I have some examples, but you can, with pytest, you can define general fixtures in other files that will be loaded always. So I wanted to make sure that that was okay. So, and for the standard output, you just do out. So what I want to check in this case is that it contains total, that it contains this total, and that it contains used, and it contains the output contains free, and that contains percentage. So let's run this now. Okay, there is an error. What it is? A percentage is not like this. How is the output? Oh, it's percent free. Okay. So in this case, it will have catch an error or an unexpected phrase if was the case of a real program. So run. Okay, all passed. So I can run with code coverage, and now I have 97% of code coverage. And what's the case not covered? Oh, this line. So this line is not covered because it doesn't enter in here, so it's 97% and not 100%. We see it's 100%. So we did a pretty good job testing this, but we see that we cannot make sure that the output will be the right one, because we are getting different disk space and used and free for each machine, or for my own machine I will get different values as the free space changes. So we see now that we need some kind of way to decouple this. So we should do something, what we call the dependency injection.